You got the alert. The threat is in your environment. And right now, two teams are scrambling. Security trying to understand what was hit, IT trying to figure out what can be recovered. The problem? The security and backup teams are siloed, working in different tools from different data with the clock running down. Attackers don't stop at production anymore. They go straight for your backups, the very thing you'd use to recover. Your backups also hold a copy of everything, including any threat that's already inside. So it's imperative to scan them. But today, when an attack hits or a scan turns up a threat, what Veeam finds rarely reaches the security team. Every time a backup runs, Veeam scans it for signs of an attack. Inline entropy analysis spots the encryption and ransomware traces that signal trouble, and YARA and antivirus scans can check your backups against known threats. Anything suspicious is flagged on the restore point and surfaced in Veeam Threat Center. Your backup infrastructure becomes a threat detection layer, not just a recovery tool. But Veeam closes that gap. When something suspicious surfaces, it doesn't sit in a queue waiting for somebody to notice. Alerts push straight into the security tools your team already lives in. So both teams are finally working from the same data. Security gets backup context inside their existing tools. IT gets threat context before deciding what to restore. When it's time to recover, you're not guessing. Before you recover, Veeam scans your restore points for malware with Veeam Threat Hunter, antivirus, or YARA rules, so you can find the latest clean restore point. Additionally, Secure Restore then rescans the workload as it comes back, so nothing infected reaches production. Recovery is deliberate, not desperate. You restore from a verified clean restore point, not just the closest available one. This is what it looks like when backup and security operations work as one. Threats caught early, blast radius understood, recovery confirmed clean before it starts. Your backups already hold the intelligence. Veeam puts it to work. Start your free trial or book time with a Veeam expert today.